Hello everyone, good morning. So today we will start exercise 5A. After 4 videos of concepts, let me just start exercise 5A. I hope after watching the 4 videos, you will get ample amount of information regarding this chapter, that is special types of quadrilateral. So today we will start exercise 5A. I hope that your concepts are very much clear, and now we will just straight jump into to solve the questions. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So now let's just start exercise 5A by looking at question number 1. What is question number 1? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. Angle A, the value of angle A is given. This is the shape of trapezium, we know that. And angle B equal to 115 degree. Find the value of x and y. As simple as that. So what we need to find out that we have to just recollect the memory of parallel lines. So what is the usage of parallel lines? These two lines are parallel. How these two lines are parallel? Because the gap between these two lines are absolutely same in each and every points, right? So what is this one? This one we know that this is the transversal, right? And in the property section we have learned about these two angles are co-interior angle. That means they are having the sum of 180 degree, and as well as these two angles are co-interior angle because they have the sum of 180 degree. So the same case is happening here. In the trapezium, these two lines are parallel, no problem, because the gaps are absolutely same. And there is one transversal over here. If you see, this is the transversal, right? And this is again another transversal. So this is the shape of trapezium, and these two lines are parallel to each other. So in the transversal we have already found out that the same side of the angle or the same portion of the angle, they are forming 180 degree by which property? That is coming under which property? That is co-interior angle. So in this way there is 105 degree and there is x. So what we need to do is 105 plus x equal to 180 degree. So write it down. Solution. What is given? Given, we have to write. So the format of writing should be like this. Make sure you have to follow this format. So angle A equal to 105 degree, angle B equal to 115 degree. Now to find, what we need to find? To find is angle X and angle Y. Alright, then the solution. Alright, in the solution part, or you don't need to write solution over here because solution I have written over here. Alright, so in angle A plus angle X equal to 180 degree, exactly we have to find out. We have found this property. What is this one? Co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. So angle A is given, which one is 105 degree plus angle X equal to 180 degree. So just calculate it out. Imply sign. Why do we use imply signs? Because after this step these things are happening, right? That step is implying this step, so that's why we have put imply sign over here. Is it clear? Before this step there is another step is there, right? So after that we are implying that this statement is saying this one, so that's why we have put imply sign over here. Is it clear? I hope I have repeated this conclusion for so many times. I hope you don't have any sort of doubt regarding imply signs. Why do we use it? All right, so angle X equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree, so which is nothing but angle X equal to 75 degree. First one solved. And another one is what? 115 degree, and there is Y. Same process again. Angle Y plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Same process, that is co-interior angle, and the same thing will repeat. So angle Y plus 115 degree equal to 180 degree, and just solve this one. Put imply sign. 180 degree minus 115 degree implies that is 65 degree. So therefore angle X equal to 75 degree and angle Y equal to 65 degree. So that's all for question number 1. One more thing, when I was checking the question answer sheet of the students of class 8, one thing that I found that they are putting, let's say, arrange these numbers in ascending order. Let's say 15, 30, let's say 2 and 95. So what they are doing, that they are putting imply sign over here. First one is 2, then 15, then 30, then 95. There is no meaning of implies because there hasn't been any equation that are forming, right? So don't need to put imply sign. This statement is not implying this one. This is exactly equal to this one. Don't need to put imply sign. I have given one red circle, but I have not deducted any sort of mark because you don't know the actual meaning. That's why right now I'm telling you, and if I just saw these things are happening again and again, marks will be deducted. Because this is a major blunder that people always try to do, putting imply sign in replacement of equal to. Don't do that, because imply sign will be applicable only in equation, not in this type of statements. All right, so that's all for this question, that is question number 1 of exercise 5A, and then we will just move on to question number 3. All right, so let's just move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is saying that the length of a parallelogram exceeds its breadth by 30 centimeter. If the perimeter of the parallelogram is 2 meters 60 centimeter, find its length and breadth of the parallelogram. So here in this question, if I just break this question in two parts, the first one is given that the length of the parallelogram exceeds its breadth by 30 centimeter. So if you see, we know that the length is always greater than the breadth. The length is always greater than the breadth. So if you just see here, the length of the parallelogram exceeds its breadth by 30 centimeters. So in linear equation in one variable, I have given you one trick to understand which one to take x. The condition which is being given to any sort of data, that should be our x. So here the length of the parallelogram, it actually comparing itself with some other quantity. The length of the parallelogram exceeds its breadth. So that means the length is actually comparing itself with the breadth. So that means the comparing part would be our x. So here breadth will be our x. So in parallelogram we know that the opposite sides are absolutely same and is exceeds by 30 centimeters. So that means the length will be x plus 30. I don't think any sort of problem is happening, right? Is it clear? I hope it is clear. So now if the perimeter of the parallelogram is 2 meters 60 centimeter, that is given, find the length and the breadth of the parallelogram. All right, fine. Now just see how to solve this one. What is given? Given ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, fine. So here AB equal to x plus 30, BC equal to x, and AD equal to also x, and CD equal to x plus 30. Write it here where x is the breadth which is being taken, all right, fine. So now what we need to find out? To find length and breadth. Okay, fine. And one more thing is given that I just forgot to write, that is perimeter. No, let me just remove this part. Wait a minute. Okay, perimeter is also given. Perimeter is how much? 2 meter 60 centimeter. So how to convert this one? We know that this is very easy. So 2 meter plus 60 centimeter. So 2 meter plus 60 by 100 meter. So 60 by 100 meter is how much? Plus 0.6 meter. So that means 2.6 meter, right? So 2.6 meter is our perimeter. So here, now to find length and breadth. Okay, now comes the solution part. How to do that? We know perimeter is what actually? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. What is perimeter? Actually the boundary, right? So we just add the boundaries or the lines, segments, and togetherly it will form a perimeter. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So it is given that 2.6 meter. So AB is x plus 30 plus x plus CD is x plus 30 plus x. So how many x are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4x. And what is the remaining part? 30 and 30, that is 30 and 30, that is 60 centimeter. So here this is coming under meter, so let me just convert this one into centimeter. That is 260 centimeter, no problem, right? We just take it to this side, so which is 260 centimeter, because we have to convert that unit into one unit. Basically 2 units must not be there, we need to convert the 2 units into one single unit. So here 260 minus 60 centimeter equal to 4x. So that means 200 centimeter equal to 4x. So that means x equal to 200 by 4, which is coming up to be 50, equal to 50 centimeter. So x is 50. So therefore x is 50. Therefore x equal to 50 centimeter, which is equal to which one? BC and AD. So which is equal to BC and equal to AD. And x plus 30 will be 80 centimeter, so which is equal to AB, and that is equal to CD. So therefore length equal to 80 centimeter and breadth equal to 50 centimeter. So that is the question, right? If in the answer it is being written on meter, just convert it out, no problem, right? So up to this is also correct. So that's all for question number 3. I hope that you have understood how to write or how to represent the question answer and how to pick up which one should be our x. That you have to remember that the thing which is being compared to some other quantity, that other quantity will be our x. As simple as that. So let's just move on to our next question, that is question number 5. Alright, so let's just move on to our last question of today's session, that is 2 adjacent angles of a parallelogram are this and this. Find the measure of all angles of the parallelogram. Simple question. So what do you mean by adjacent? Adjacent means neighborhood points or neighborhood angles. So in the case of parallelogram, if you just see, this is the shape of parallelogram, right? The shape of parallelogram. So let's just find out ABCD. So one angle is given 4x minus 15 degree, and the other neighborhood angle will be given as 5x minus 3 degree. So it could be this point also, no problem. But this angle C in compared to angle A, these two angles are not neighborhood angles or adjacent angles. Adjacent angles could be this two and this two. Alright, fine. So here that is coming exactly same as compared to if you just compare the first question. So in the solution, no need to write the solution. Yes, given angle A equal to 4x minus 15 whole degree and angle B equal to 5x minus 3 whole degree, and ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, right? So now to find angle A, comma angle B, comma angle C, comma angle D, that we need to find out solution. Same process, angle A plus angle B or angle D. You can see angle A plus angle B also, no problem. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That is what? That is co-interior angle. I've told you this property, about this property, co-interior angle. So now let's just find out 4x minus 15 degree, 15 plus 5x minus 3 equal to 180 degree. Now we can able to find out the value of x over here. So that is 4x and 9x, 5 plus 4, that is 9, and 15 and 3, that is both coming under minus sign, so that means 18. Minus 18 equal to 180 degree. So 9x equal to 180 degree plus 18, because minus is there, it will go towards right hand side, it will become plus. Implies 9x equal to 198. So it will become 198 by 9, and what is it? What is it? It will be 22. So that means therefore x equal to 22. So angle A equal to how much? Angle A equal to how much? That is 4x minus 15. So x, if it is 22, then 88 minus 15, that is how much? That is 73, right? And we know that opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal, so that means angle C is also, therefore angle C is equal to 73 degree, no problem. Then after that, angle B equal to 5x minus 3. So 5 into 22 minus 3, that is 110 minus 3. So which will be 107. So we know that opposite angles, that is angle B and angle D, both are same. So angle D equal to 107 degree. So therefore finally we will write, therefore angle A equal to how much? 73 degree. Angle B equal to 107 degree, and angle C equal to again 73 degree, and angle D equal to 107 degree. And that's it for question number 5. What is the question? Find the measure of all angles of a parallelogram. We have calculated all angles in a parallelogram. If you want to find out that whether this answer is correct or not, just simply add these two numbers. 107 plus 73 degree, it will become 180 degree. Absolutely correct, because angle A plus angle B, it should be equal to 180 degree. So angle A is 73 and angle B is 107. So togetherly it will become 180 degree. Like that way, angle C and angle D, they are making also 180 degree, right? So that's all for this session. I hope that question number 1, 3, 5 is much more clear to you. Try to solve question number 2, question number 4, question number 6, and question number 7, right? Up to this, you just solve it out, and I will continue with question number 8. So that's all for this video. I hope these things are much more clear to you. If you found any sort of doubt, make sure you just contact me. That's all. Bye bye and take care.